Student, today we'll take up a new subtopic, that is inspection of bank under Banking Regulation Act 1949. Now, before we start with the main subtopic, let us see what is the meaning of inspection. What it means. Inspection means careful examination or scrutiny. Therefore, bank inspection is the process of monitoring banks to ensure that they are carrying out their activities in a safe and sound manner in accordance with laws, rules, and regulations. Now, as per Section 35 of Banking Regulation Act 1949 have been incorporated to check the malpractices meaning failure to act correctly or negligence in their obligations towards finance or frauds, corruption and so on. So, malpractices in banking companies. Section 35 of the Act gives power to the Reserve Bank of India to undertake inspection of banks. So, therefore, Reserve Bank of India, either on its own or as per the direction received from the central government, RBI can anytime has the authority to inspect the books of accounts of any banking company carrying on its business in India. This means the Reserve Bank of India, that is Central Bank of India, or it is also known as Apex Bank of India, either on its own or the direction given by the central government, to the Reserve Bank of India. So RBI can anytime has the authority to inspect the book of accounts. Books of account of any banking company, those who are carrying the business of banking only in India. Is it clear? Then we'll move on to next para, that is during an inspection, it is the duty of every bank director, officer or employee in the bank to hand over to the officials of the Reserve Bank of India all the books of account and other documents as required. So, every officer of the bank is required to provide all information relating to the business of the bank and to the officials from the Reserve Bank of India. Now, it means during the inspection process, it is the duty of every bank director, whether it may be director or officer or an employee in the bank, to hand over the officials, those who are come from the Reserve Bank of India, all the books of accounts as well as other documents, whatever is required by the officials, from the Reserve Bank of India. Now, it is the duty of all the officer of the bank is required to provide whatever the details, whatever the information the RBI officers are asking. It is duty of the concerned bank to provide them with details relating to the business of the bank. Okay, so now moving on to the next, that is what happens after completion of the inspection, what Reserve Bank of India need to prepare, and whom the report should be sent after studying, what are the steps taken by central government. Okay, let us see in this two paragraph. Now first para, on completion of the inspection, okay, the Reserve Bank of India is required to prepare a report on its finding in triplicate. It means once the Reserve Bank of India finished with the inspection of concerned bank, then Reserve Bank of India has to prepare the reports on its findings. Okay, that too in triplicate, 3 copies. So now where these 3 copies will go? Okay, so we'll see this report, the copy of the first report remains with Reserve Bank of India. Okay, now second copy is submitted to the central government, and the third, that means the last copy, is given to the concerned bank. So it is very essential to prepare copy of the reports in triplicate. Clear? Moving on to the next para. After studying the report, okay, after going through the report, if the central government finds that the bank is not operating its business in accordance of the provision, okay, as per the norms of the Banking Regulation Act 1949, then it may either prohibit the given bank from fresh depositors, or it may direct the Reserve Bank of India to apply for the compulsory winding up of the concerned bank. It means after studying the report, okay, prepared by the Reserve Bank of India, the central government finds that bank is not doing its business as per the norms laid down by Banking Regulation Act. So what it says, in such cases, they have to prohibit the banks from accepting fresh depositors, okay, accepting new account holders. Okay, so stop opening a new account. Or another case may be, it may direct the Reserve Bank of India to apply for the compulsory closure of the concerned bank, winding up of the concerned bank. Okay, that is something about inspection of banks under section 35.